Unit 3 The Infinite World Within Our Grasp. We know that today almost all the activities of the service sectors are internet oriented. Today, email or electronic mail address has become a necessity for all online services. This chapter will help us to get to know in detail how email address is created and how emails are sent. Email is the short form of electronic mail. It is the method of sending and receiving messages through internet using the electronic media. In addition to messages, we can also send and receive pictures, audio files, films, etc. through this. There are service providers who provide email facility free of cost. For example, Gmail, Yahoo Mail, Rediff Mail. Messages sent through email from anywhere in the world is stored in the email address of the receiver. We can open the mail using a password and read the letters and other attached files from anywhere with the help of an internet connection. When we create an email account, if the email address that we wish to create is already being used by someone, we will not get that address. Then we will have to make changes and give a new address. An email address has two parts, name given by the user or username and the name of the service provider. The two names are separated by the symbol @. A person with the email address of a particular service provider can send to and receive mails from the mail address of any other service provider. CAPTCHA, completely automated public Turing test to tell computers and human apart. It is a test to ensure that the user is a human being. Websites generally use CAPTCHA to protect the site from automated programs that are used to hack the websites. When we enter the email address, type the email address of the person or persons to whom we wish to send the mail in the column labeled To. If we have to enter more than one email address, use a comma to separate the addresses. If we want to send a copy of the email to another person, enter their email address in the CC column or carbon copy column. If we want to send a copy of the mail to another person without the knowledge of the email recipients in the To and CC column, enter the person's email address in the BCC column or blind carbon copy column. Use of email, certain precautions. Password is the key to enter an email box. Hence, it is safer to create a password that contains capital letters, small letters, numerals, and symbols. It is good to change the password at intervals to keep the email safe. Sign out or log out of mail account after we finish using it. If we receive mails, attachments, etc. from unknown or unfamiliar addresses, we should open or respond to it only after ensuring its credibility. Sending mails which include news, pictures, or videos that are false, obscene, cause defamation to people, or is a threat to national security is a punishable offense. Ray Tomlinson was an American computer programmer who developed the program to send messages from one computer to another for ARPANET, which was a precursor of Internet. He was the one who selected the symbol @ to separate the username from the name of the service provider in the email address. Even now, user@host is considered as the standard for email address. We have learned the importance and advantages of email. Now let's compare the merits and limitations of various modes of communication. Not only service providers but also organizations and government departments provide free email facility for official purposes. We have learned how information can be collected from the internet and how emails can be sent. Almost any information that we need, like those related to literary works, audios, videos, maps, etc., are available on the internet. Among the available versions of the online encyclopedia, the more trustworthy and comprehensive information is provided in Wikipedia. We have already learned the history and mode of the functioning of Wikipedia in the previous class. Wikipedia has many sister projects like Wikisource, Wiktionary, Wikiquotes for quotations, Wikicommons, etc. Like Wikipedia, OpenStreetMap is also a digital map that can be edited freely by anyone.